it. Do man a try convince TikTok say me send Donia. Hear the people that make comments. So Donia know say him get Shay crutches. Yeah.
Hi y'all, it is a girl Annabelle Ends back with a live with Shay. Mr. Guys, whiny paso. Please like, share, and please comment and subscribe. Bye y'all. Mwah.
And the people them turn friend, you start to come and make up story and tell lie. Me no know me love the woman that try to convince the crowd and the people them say you too lie. You too lie. I be a liar tell. Mr. Boy, you see comment section. You lie, girl. Lie. I be a liar tell.
So Donia, do you know something that
I that me
want to ask Donia if he did get the picture. He did get the crutches.
I that me want ask
Ask
him.
Donia that.
Right now, me have to go ask him for sure. Me want ask him if him get it. Do man a try convince TikTok say me send Donia. Hear the people that make comments. So Donia know say him get Shay crutches. Yes, my dears, you lie. That girl a be a lie. That girl a tell.
so come up with something else? Because we are Donia enough to more people. If him get a crutches picture, yeah, but no, him no want down nothing at all.
Yeah, no. You know, see them dey on live and Donia tell us if we text him.
Yeah. Then also she sit down over. Oh, Jesus.
She sit down on my live and watch my live, people. Dey on her live and tell the people them say.
So because Donia say text him and that Donia say text him. But
Remember only dey on the live and Donia say, call me Shay, something wrong with you? Queenie, I beat you. Who mute Nadia? Unmute her. No. Unmute Nadia. Unmute her. Look like her 2-page them get mute. I can't mute Nadia.
Guys, them people up on the internet, them do the most. I don't know how them do it. Like them say all these false allegations.
Baby, try unmute Nadia.
Them say all these false things about you. I have to wonder. Who this now?
Yeah, YouTube Nadia.
Sometimes them do that shit for spite, you know that, right?
Don't do that.
Guys, thank you so much. Carol, thank you. Mama 5. Everybody will tap the screen. Big up.
Everybody always say a mistake. Mistake for call somebody Sonia?
Yeah, them say them always has press the D and a S come. So I don't understand. I don't know. But I don't like it though. That's rude.
Baby, see if you see Nadia. Yeah, see if you see her next week.
You know, pay the people them no mind. You know, these people nowadays they say make my dance go a Clarendon. Okay, then run with that. My dance go a Clarendon. You know how much me this sell it for?
I saw them call him, so I don't know what this.
I saw them call him and lie them at him.
My moderator said no, sometime I choose, sometime it happened to me before.
Don't do that.
I don't know what I talk about Clarendon. I never been there before.
That come up and
Mama 5, thank you so much, sweetie. Guys, we can't play the dear game today because people can't recharge.
hold on. The page I look for Nadia, baby, I look for it.
Oh, them say the spell check change it to that. Guys, power tap chat. Everybody big up on yourself. Guys, we can't play the dear game today.
Nadia.
Everybody, most people can't recharge, so we can't play the dear game today.
It come up.
Maybe tomorrow.
Alright, before it.
The same Nadia name?
Me and Nadia.
Power taps my team. Let's go, guys.
That's not Nadia, that's why I'm
You can recharge. You try it, Mama 5? Cause me try not too long recharge and it go through. Carol, which pay recharge from? Google? Cause people say they can't recharge. Guys, you know get for recharge now? If you no can't get for recharge, you can play their game, but if you no can't recharge, you can play it. Cause only if people come and say them can't recharge.
Alright.
Thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me. Not
Alright,
from the app. No, the app, no, for recharge from the app. The app more expensive.
If you don't see that come up on something, don't wait name
I
again.
cannot do it from the app though because the app don't come back in the app store yet.
If you don't see that come up. Alright, Warren, later. The unit, my good man.
Go on the Google, guys. You know, go on Google for recharge, not on your website. Google cheaper.
Them can't reach out because the app is not in Play Store.
Yeah.
You know that there?
Mm-mm.
I lie. You gone?
Mm-hmm. Guys, type in TikTokrecharge.com. TikTokrecharge.com up there for type in 3 more rows, chat, 3 rows.
Me never know say it gone.
Guys, TikTokrecharge.com.
Soon come back.
Chat 3 rows.
How are they blood clad? I saw them deal with it, you know. Pussy bumbo rascal.
Thank you, baby. Guys, double chat.
Blood clad, baby, no, you not your phone neither.
Help me with the gift gallery now. Me not get nothing out of my gift gallery now, guys. Guys, when you can help me with my gift gallery, please. Some donuts, gift title.
Go to the woman over live, I tell you one story time, I tell the people them say, me send Donia my crutches and how come. When guys who never dey on live and you when Donia searching for text her, me I say, I saw you sit down for my live and listen when
Guys,
Donia say,
how
she
your day?
alright.
My day is good. My day is
We
not
are go
bad.
through. Queenie a beat you. Text me and Queenie say, no, me I go call you. Remember that day when we are playing the dear game, so me don't know the woman at all, but
4 roses chat.
I must reset about the camera.
Guys, 3 more rows. Mama 5, thank you, baby. 3 more rows.
oh,
Come on,
when he
chat. 3
say for
roses.
text,
3
him say for
roses.
text him for sure. If he wait name there, if him follow me back because me tell him, me
2
me
more
say I
rows
follow
chat.
him on Instagram. Me
more
just start follow Kitty, you know.
Guys, 2 more roses chat.
Remember? Right.
So, baby, at the end of the day, no fair catches.
The most dangerous people is the ones who believe their own lies. Me say divide.
Guys, 1 more rose. Thank
Woman
you.
lies
Girl,
and
thank you,
believe in
baby.
her
Thank
own
you,
and lie
Nats.
them.
Thank you, guys. I say the people them know your business more than you. And you can't tell them say a lie, you know. Because they convinced in they lie where they tell for you, you
Some
know.
lie and believe in her own and lies. Them me say a be a lie the woman I tell. Hey, you see people like them there, guys? You not have to be careful.
Guys, double chat, double. Mama 5, thank you for the bracelet, baby. Guys, remember the gift gallery. Guys, remember the gift gallery chat.
See people me believe in them own and lies. Don't do it.
You not pay them the mind. Carol, thank you.
It's not girl, is a mad girl here.
Apple pie. Me nah go have you in my comment section and disrespect the man. Is either you have manners or something. Why you go call the man that name? Hold on, my belly are cramping. Baby, Nadia said thanks.
Yeah, man, welcome.
Guys, double chat.
Yeah, because that squeeze me.
Guys, double chat, double. Double chat, double. Guys, wanna help Kitty now? The gift gallery double no chat.
Boy!
Carol, thank you, baby. Must say. You see how they make police come here one day, yeah? Guys, wanna go on TikTokrecharge.com for try buy the coins, and then if you don't get through, we can play their game. If you don't get through, we can play their game.
Yeah, if them get through, we play. If them not get through, me not play.
Guys, wanna go on TikTokrecharge.com on Google, and if you don't get through, we can play their game.
If we not get through, me not play.
If you don't get through, we can play.
Ah!
Baby.
Oh! Will stop filming me? Excuse me? Cha! Yeah, you go, hey, Gwena.
What go on?
Me say, Kitty will buy set. We buy
Handcuff.
foot cuff, mud gag. nipple clipper or clamper, don't know where blood clot name.
I don't know where president is. President Sue come, man.
Cut more go so. Wait name, blindfold. One wall for something.
Cute.
Cute.
Yeah, I'm happy I get some did I cry.
One wall for things. Yes! Stop feeding me up now. Feed up my
And
back.
you want blood clot queen if you don't carry minute to get up. What like say you're not tea screening. You see our bubble clot to queen.
That's you know, Kitty.
Guys, thank you so much. All my tappers them. Big up guys. Enough love to everybody. Big up God. Guys, power taps chat. Carol, thank you, sweetie. Say Kitty did I cry. TikTok did. Yes, girl, me have to cry. Me have to- I don't know what me have to ball. Power taps chat, let's go. Me did have to cry. You never have to cry. Me have real people over here who love me, you know. You didn't know? Me have some real genuine supporters who love me right now.
Stop that now, baby.
Where you say, better?
Mm-hmm.
That,
Oh, watch ya, watch ya. Watch ya. So when this watch ya. Watch ya, watch ya, watch ya.
I think that's
Share my page, watch ya.